almost new. Think about it second hand. Oh yeah, this Japanese anemone does really well in the shade. I have it under the one of the rosa pergolas, rose tunnel. Oh, I like this book. It's full of pictures and ideas. Oh, I will get one of this one day. Tree fern. Every inch of it, every centimeter of it costs £1 probably, or more, £10. Quite expensive. Anyway, this is a lovely book. How many pages? 143, 44, 45. By the DK, Dorling Kindersley. What's the publication date? 2024. Oh, that's new. I like the fact that the book is light. The pages are strong, it's not glossy, it doesn't reflect, easy to read. And yeah, it gives me ideas what I can grow that lacks shade. Oh, that's so nice to know. I will show you what I'm doing at the moment, but there's plenty of work to do yet. Especially I try to have evergreen, winter hardy garden in that area.